Hello students, welcome back to our channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about the Rdbms paper presentation and preparation of Rdbms subject. Okay, so whatever the tips I am saying in this video will absolutely you can score O grade in this subject. Okay, so in this particular subject I will gonna tell you about the how you should present your answers in the answer booklet in a less time, because RDBMS subject is only of 50 marks question paper, and this is only for BCom computer application students only. This subject will not be there for BCom general students, and 50 marks only your question paper will be in the final examination, and another 50 marks will be allotted by your colleges by conducting practicals, record writing, internal examination, etc. So in 50 marks, whatever the content you are having in this 15 marks, we will discuss in this video each chapter. Okay, so if you watch this video fully, then you can easily score O grade, or you can easily get passed marks in this subject. Okay, so in detail we will discuss in this video, ma. So whatever the doubts you are having, I think that it will be clear to you all after watching this video. Okay, so now we will discuss about the total how many chapters you will be there, and what are the contents you are having, what are the contents you need to prepare. Okay, all the syllabus whatever you are having in this RDBMS, that nothing to read. Okay, so in RDBMS subject total 5 units will be there. Okay, so unit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Unit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 units will be there. In this 5 units only, you will get your question paper. How your question paper pattern will be? Part A is of 8 questions. You need to attempt 25 questions. Each carries 2 marks, right? For 2 marks, 5 to 6 sentences is enough. So 5 to 6 lines is enough. Okay, no need to write big answers for, because your time duration will be of 2 hours only, and total marks is 50 marks. If 50 marks in this 2 hours only, you should complete this 50 marks question paper. Okay, in part B, ninth question onwards it will start. Ninth question will come from first unit, 10 level 12 13 question will come from second, third, fourth unit, as you all know. Okay, in part B, 8 marks is for each answer. Each answer consists of 8 marks. So part B is of 40 marks and part A is of 10 marks. Okay. So in part B, what if you're perfect with the long answer, no need to learn any short questions. Okay. So if you're learning long questions, they will ask what is mean by data. In short, 2 marks. In data, whatever the knowledge you are having about that concept, you need to explain that. Okay, so now we will discuss about the first unit, students. In that, what are the topics you need to learn, and what are the damn sure questions you will get that in the answer question paper. Okay, so now we will discuss about the first unit in RDBMS subject. Okay, so students, in unit number 1, you need to learn only 3 concepts. Definitely one long question you will be able to attempt. One long question will definitely repeat from these 3 questions. Okay, first one is DBA, that is database administrator. Who is database administrator? What he will do in the RDBMS? What are his functions and what are his objectives? If you learn this question, definitely it will be a damn sure question. And another damn sure question is ER model. Okay, ER model is also an important and damn sure question. And the last damn sure question from unit number 1 is 3-level architecture. You need to draw a diagram for this. Whatever, how many levels you will have? 3 levels you will have, right? Physical level, logical level, display level. These 3 levels you will have. You need to draw the diagram. You need to explain each and every level. What is mean by logical level? What are its advantages? What are its disadvantages? Everything you need to explain in that 8 marks. You are writing 8 marks question paper. Minimum 2 sides is must and should. You should write for to score full marks. Okay. One side is not enough. 1.5 side is not enough. 2 sides of answer you should write for long, and for short 5 to 6 sentences. If you are perfect with these 3 questions from unit number 1, definitely one long question and one short question definitely will come. So 10 marks is the weightage. Okay, 10 marks is the weightage, and the passing marks for 50 is 18 or 20. So overall, when you think about the 20, if you learn these 20 questions, 10 marks you are scoring, right? So easily you can pass marks. Okay. So now we will discuss about the second unit now. Okay. In second unit, what are the topics you are having and what you should learn in the second unit? Everything we will discuss now. So in important questions video, I have already discussed damn sure questions. So you please watch that video. In unit number 2, you will have only one concept: normalization and keys, multiple keys. Normalization is a damn sure question. I have explained the topic normalization in our video in the channel. If you want this explanation, you can check out that video and watch that video. So only normalization question you will get a unit number 2. Pakka question normalization. Without normalization concept, there is not at all have any RDBM question paper. Okay. So in this you will have 1NF, 2NF, 3NF, BCNF. These are the four types of normalization, and in these four types you learn with one long question and one short question with attempted. Unit number 2, 10 marks. If you learn this concept, 10 marks you will get. Okay, so first chapter 10 marks, second chapter 10 marks is equal to 20 marks. For the 2 units also you will get easily passing marks. So now we will discuss about the third unit. Students, in third unit, what are the topics you need to learn? Okay, from third unit you will have SQL commands, joins concept, views. SQL command is pakka question. Definitely they'll ask in part B. In SQL commands, you will have DDL commands, DM commands, ECL commands. This type of different types of commands you will have like insert, delete, update. This type of commands you will have. If you cooperate with SQL commands, you need to learn any points concept, you need to learn any views concept. So here also SQL commands is 8 marks per long, and for short 2 marks one question will come, total 10 marks. Over 30 marks you are scoring by learning this SQL commands, normalization and the answers. 30 marks you are scoring. So now we will discuss about the fourth unit in the subject. Okay. In fourth unit you are having deadlock and its preventions, right? And you are learning about the database security and integrity and backup. Okay. And locking. What is locking? To locking. These are the three questions from fourth unit. If you are perfect with these three questions, one long and two short. Two short means 2 marks, 2 marks, 4 marks. So in this unit you can score 12 marks if you learn these three concepts. Okay, here only 42 marks was gone. Okay, first unit 10 marks, second unit 10 marks, third unit 10 marks, fourth unit carries 12 marks weightage if you learn these three concepts. Now we will discuss about the fifth unit. In fifth unit, you will have only two concepts, that is DDBMS, that is Distributed Database Management System, and Client Server Architecture. Client Server Architecture. If you learn these two answers, you will be able to attempt one long and one short, which consists of 10 marks weightage. Only two questions: distributed database management system and client server architecture. So now we'll discuss about the overall thing. So first unit you are scoring 10 marks, second unit you are scoring 10 marks, third unit you are scoring 10 marks, fourth unit you are scoring 12, 14 marks, fifth unit you are scoring 10 marks. So total 54 marks you are attempting. Paper is of 50. Okay, two questions extra you are attempting. Then you can easily score low grade in this subject. If you want only passing marks in this subject, prepare any 2 units perfectly or prepare any 3 units damn sure questions perfectly. That is more than enough for RTMS subject. Normalization explanation video was available in our channel. Check out in our channel. So important questions video, damn sure questions video, everything I have uploaded in our channel. So it will be better for you to watch that videos. Okay. So now how you should present these type of things in your answer booklet. Okay, this is your booklet, right? You will have 2 hours only. In this 2 hours only, five long, five short. You need to finish. Short is 2 marks, it's over. And for long, if you are attempting long, here you should write the question number, part B or part A. Question number 9, if you are starting here, write the introduction, mention all the introduction, then advantages, give like and 9 and here you start. Disadvantages like this, you need to present your answers. No need to mix up with all the answers. No need to write the answers in a congested form. Some students will write like this. Here only they will write whole answer. It will not look attractive, ma'am. Okay, so like this you need to present it in the answer book. That RDBMS is an easy subject. No need to worry about it. And this is all about the video. I hope that you have got clarity about this video. And don't worry about this subject. If you're having any doubts related to this video or related to this article subject, you please comment in the comment section. Definitely, I will try to answer each and every comment. Okay. So all the very best for your preparation and all the very best for your examination. Hope you all will score over in RTBMS subject. Okay. So and after attempting the question paper, let me know what type of question paper you have got, whether the repeated questions is there or not. Please comment in comment section. Definitely, I feel happy by reading all that comments. Okay, and I have uploaded the previous year question paper of RDBMS subject in the channel. If you want previous year video, previous year question paper video, please you check out in our channel. And all the links are given in the description as well as the comment box. So this is all about the video. All the very best and thank you so much, students.